What's going on, guys? It's a beautiful day, starting to heat up here, but wanted to get outside and create some content. I'm walking anyway, so I might as well knock out two things at a time, right? So in this video, I want to talk about how I built a online business leveraging YouTube or around YouTube, and why YouTube is a great idea to build your online business or even start a side hustle. So this isn't something that was planned, it just happened. So I started YouTube back in 2016. I had a fitness channel, didn't know you could make money from it, didn't think about a business or anything like that. I just wanted to share my journey and just share my passion for fitness. So that's how it started for me, and I quickly seen the power of YouTube. And at that time, I was on Instagram, I was posting on Facebook, but YouTube is, for me, the only platform where I was able to get a good amount of traction and grow an audience relatively fast, right? So with this channel right now, I think I'm approaching 30K. I don't have anything near that on Facebook or Instagram pages I've started. So just from a growth perspective, I think YouTube is one of the best platforms to grow a audience. I don't want to say fast, but you can get on YouTube. If you post good content, you stay consistent, you can grow a pretty big audience, right? I don't have the biggest audience here, but almost 30,000 people, that's a good amount of people. And I never thought that I would even be able to grow an audience of that size. So I think it's pretty cool. Also with YouTube, and why it's a great place to start your online business or side hustle, is YouTube is a search engine. YouTube is owned by Google. I think it's the second largest search engine behind Google, if I'm not mistaken. And it's a place where people come and they search for solutions to their problems. So if you can create content around problems and pain points that people have, it's a great way to get discovered and for your content to get discovered and for people to just know about you and your brand and what you have to offer. Also with YouTube, your content is more so evergreen. So your content is dependent on what type of content you make. So if it's mainly like search-based and, solving problems, that's evergreen content. So that content kind of stays relevant and people are always going to be searching for that content. And it's different from other platforms. For example, with Instagram, it's a different type of platform. It's not necessarily a search engine. And that content dies off very quickly. So it's only relevant for, a day or two. And I haven't been on Instagram in a while. I used to, but that was a long time ago. I don't know if it's changed, but that content doesn't have a shelf life like it does with YouTube. I have videos that are from 2016 that still get views. So that just shows you how this content can consistently work for you for years versus these other platforms where the content kind of dies off in a day or two. Also with YouTube, it's a great place to build community, right? Build a loyal subscriber base of people that not only love your content and love you. YouTube is more one of those platforms where it's more focused on long form versus some of these other platforms. And just the way content is going now, you see a lot of short form content, just quick hits type of content. But with YouTube, you can get on here and post 20-minute, 30-minute videos. So it's a great place for people to get to know you, where you can really share your expertise and build that community of people that not only just watch your content, but they feel part of something. And if you build your community the right way, these people will trust you. You can really build trust with this long form content. And if you want to build a business around it, you have that engaged, loyal community that, they want to take things to that next level with you. They want to purchase from you. They want to learn from you, and, which will support your side hustle or business. All right, so let's get into how I built my business around YouTube, which is what I do now, full-time entrepreneur. And I do have other ways I make income, but YouTube is a big part of my income. And that includes content creation, which revolves around YouTube services and different things I'm gonna share. So it all started with me starting that channel and having some success. I did get the channel monetized. I eventually moved on to another channel, which is this channel right here. So, you know, I had success, multiple monetized channels. I'm actually about to get another channel monetized. It should be within the next, I would say, 3 to 4 months. So I took the time to learn the platform, actually have success on the platform. And honestly, I just love YouTube. So it made sense for me to kind of build a business around this platform because I knew the benefits of it, and just it's better than other platforms. It's the best social media platform, but also I actually love YouTube. So the first way I started to make money and kind of just build up that side hustle at the time on this platform was I started to offer services based around my expertise. So with the first channel at that time, I was into fitness. I had a lot of success with it. I competed. I knew how to get in shape. I knew how to drop weight, build muscle. So I shared content about that. And you know, a problem that people have is they want to get in shape, but they don't know how. So I started to offer services as far as coaching. I started to offer meal plans, workout plans, things like that. So essentially what I did was I used my channel and my content to market my services, right? And to attract the people that would be interested in the services that I had to offer, which is still something that I do today with my YouTube channels. Now, after that, I started to learn more. I started to invest in myself, build new skills. And I started to see that, you know, there's other ways that I can monetize my YouTube channel and my content. So I started to dive into affiliate marketing, selling digital products. So digital products is not something that I'm doing currently, but with the digital product that I used to sell, I had a good amount of success with it. I made, you know, a couple thousand, I think, with a $27 product and just, you know, marketing that through my content. But a big part of my business model now with YouTube is affiliate marketing. Specifically with one small channel that I have, that whole business model is based around affiliate marketing. So it's a product review channel where I'm reviewing products and informing customers about those products, pretty much helping them with their buying decision, right? And knowing how YouTube works. YouTube is a place where people will come and they will search for products and they want to see reviews and content on these products because they're thinking about buying them. So knowing that, it made sense, and I'm already doing it, creating the content. It's like, okay, maybe I should start a channel around this. So when people watch that content, if it gives them enough information to make that purchase and they use my affiliate links, I get a commission of that sale. Brand deals and sponsored content is something else that I've leaned into. I've done it on this channel right here. I've actually turned down a lot of companies just because I feel like it didn't align with my content, but I'm really starting to build a income stream around this with my smaller channel. And that channel only has 600 and some subscribers. And I got a brand deal when I think I had like 200 something subscribers. So you don't need a huge audience. I think it's more so about creating quality content. The brands see the value in that, you know? And I think specifically with my content, it stands out because I put a lot of effort into it, and just the production value is different from a lot of other creators in the same space as me. I think this is something that's gonna keep building for me. And I would even say next year, it probably will be one of my biggest income streams with just the amount of people I'm getting reaching out and just how my review channel is growing, the rate at which it's growing. Now, the last thing I want to share with y'all has been a big income stream with me. And this came from like using YouTube in a different way. So with this stream, what I did is I leveraged my experience with YouTube. Like I said, I have multiple channels. I've gotten 2 channels monetized. I've been doing freelance work. I've helped a lot of clients build their channels. So I leveraged that experience to offer services revolving around YouTube. For example, channel management, YouTube coaching, things like that. This is something I talk about a good amount on the channel, of building these digital assets and then using them as leverage to start a side hustle, build a business, something like that. You see people do this with even Instagram, right? You have people that have grown a pretty good following with Instagram, and they use that social media page as leverage to offer some kind of service, or they create some kind of course or digital product around that. So that's something else you can do. If you get into YouTube, obviously, I didn't start doing this right out the bat. Right out the bat, I had to learn the platform, actually get some good success, and just know how the platform works so I can actually help people. So yeah, that's pretty much how I've kind of built this online business from content creation in YouTube. And as you can see, there's a lot of different ways that you can do this, and there's a lot of different business models you can do. There's not just one way, right? There's so many ways that you can build a sustainable side income or business around your YouTube channel. But I think YouTube is hands down the best platform to build a side hustle or build a full-time online business, just because of how the platform is, how many people you can reach, how you can build a community, and how your content kind of lives forever if you focus on evergreen type of content. But that's all I got for y'all. It's getting hot. I'm gonna head to the house. If you have any questions around this, maybe you're thinking about doing this yourself, feel free to leave them in the comments below. You can shoot me a question about anything, and I will try my best to answer it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.